For millennia, humanity has gazed upwards. We looked at the vast dark sky filled with twinkling stars, a canvas of infinite dreams. We have always wondered, we have always questioned. This deep curiosity lives within us. It is a fundamental part of being human. The universe calls to us. Its immense mysteries beckon our adventurous spirit. Among those distant shimmering lights, one glows with a unique allure. Mars, the red planet. It has captivated our collective imagination for centuries. Ancient peoples watched its fiery dance across the heavens. Later we told stories of Martians, of intricate canals crisscrossing its surface, of a world perhaps mirroring our own, or maybe a world entirely different, waiting to be known. It waits there, our cosmic neighbor in the vast ocean of space. A new world inviting us to explore. Why Mars? Why this particular celestial body above others? It is relatively close to Earth, close enough for our current rockets to reach. Its day length is strikingly similar to our own, just a little over 24 hours. There is compelling evidence of water ice, especially at its poles and beneath its rusty soil. These are tantalizing clues. They suggest Mars might hold profound secrets. Secrets about the potential for life, secrets about planetary formation, and ultimately secrets about ourselves and our place in the cosmos. It is a formidable challenge, yet it feels attainable with our growing knowledge. The magnetic pull of Mars is undeniably strong. It represents a new grand frontier for humankind. A place to courageously test our technological limits. A place to significantly expand our understanding of the universe. Humanity has always been a species of explorers. We bravely crossed vast, uncharted oceans. We diligently climbed the highest, most formidable mountains. Now, our gaze and our ambition turn towards the stars. Mars is the next logical, inspiring step on that magnificent, ongoing journey of discovery. Reaching the red planet is no simple task. It is an immense journey across millions of kilometers. The voyage itself takes many long months. The Martian environment is incredibly harsh. It is bitterly cold, far colder than Antarctica. The atmosphere is dangerously thin, offering little protection. Cosmic radiation poses a constant threat to life. These are significant, complex problems to solve. But humanity possesses a remarkable talent. We are ingenious problem solvers. We invent, we build tools, we relentlessly create new technology, we innovate. Dedicated scientists and brilliant engineers are working tirelessly. They are deep in the process of designing new rockets powerful enough to carry humans and heavy cargo sustainably all the way to Mars. They are meticulously building advanced habitats. These will be safe, shielded places for humans to live and work on the alien surface of Mars. They are also developing sophisticated life support systems, essential systems to provide breathable air, clean water, and nutritious food. Technology is the key. It consistently turns the impossible into the possible. Brave robotic explorers are already on Mars. These rovers are our robotic eyes and hands. They send back breathtaking images of the alien landscape. They carefully study the intricate rocks and the fine soil. They diligently search for signs of past or present life. These amazing robots are our invaluable scouts. They are paving the way for future human footsteps. They teach us so much about the challenges that lie ahead, and they reveal glimpses of the profound wonders that await us there. Each discovery fuels our desire to go ourselves. This monumental endeavor, this journey to Mars, is too vast for one nation alone. It requires a global effort. Many countries are now working closely together. Space agencies from around the world collaborate. They share precious knowledge. They pool valuable resources. Innovative private companies are also joining this grand quest, bringing new ideas and fresh perspectives. This growing international cooperation is truly inspiring. It powerfully demonstrates what humanity can achieve when we are united by a common, ambitious goal. Mars holds vital, irreplaceable clues about planetary evolution. Its ancient geology tells a fascinating story, a dramatic story of a planet that was once warmer and significantly wetter than it is today. Perhaps long ago it was a planet that could have supported life. Studying Martian rocks, craters, and canyons is like reading a history book, an ancient, silent history book of another world. This knowledge helps us understand our own Earth much better. It provides context for our planet's unique journey and its delicate, life-sustaining environment. The Martian atmosphere is very thin now, a fragile shield against the harshness of space. But evidence suggests it was not always this way. What happened to its once thicker atmosphere? Where did the ancient rivers and lakes of Mars go? These are profound and pressing questions for science. Finding the answers will teach us invaluable lessons. lessons about climate change on a planetary scale. It will greatly inform our understanding of planetary habitability. The science conducted on Mars ultimately benefits all of us. It broadens our cosmic perspective significantly. Could there be life on Mars today? Or could we find definitive signs of ancient extinct life? This remains one of the biggest, most compelling questions in all of science. Finding any form of life, even tiny microbes, would be revolutionary. It would be a discovery that changes everything. It would strongly suggest that life is not unique to Earth, that life might be common throughout the cosmos. It would fundamentally alter our understanding of our place in the universe. The persistent search for life is a primary driver for much of our dedicated exploration of Mars. Mars is so much more than just a distant destination. It is an essential training ground for future explorers, a crucial stepping stone for even deeper space missions. The technologies we develop for Mars will be vital. The experiences we gain living and working there will be invaluable. What we learn on Mars will directly help us go further. Perhaps one day to the intriguing icy moons of Jupiter or Saturn, or even, in the distant future, to planets orbiting other stars. Mars prepares us. It equips us for the next giant leap outward, into the great unknown of the cosmos. The dream of Mars is an incredibly powerful one. It resonates deeply within the human spirit. It speaks directly to our most fundamental desires. The innate desire to explore new territories, the profound desire to make new discoveries, the unceasing desire to understand our universe. It is a dream that consistently pushes us forward. It inspires new generations of thinkers and doers to passionately study science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, to build incredible machines, to bravely reach for the stars. Establishing a permanent human presence on Mars will be extremely difficult. It will rigorously test our resilience as a species. It will demand immense courage and unwavering determination. There will undoubtedly be setbacks along the way. There will be unforeseen and formidable challenges. But humanity has always faced great challenges throughout its history, and we have always found ingenious ways to overcome them. Our collective spirit is remarkably strong and adaptable. We learn, we grow, we persevere. This journey will be no different. Mars represents a beacon of hope for us. Hope for the long-term future of humanity. A future where we might become a multi-planet species. This could be critically important for our ultimate survival, spreading out into the vastness of the cosmos, ensuring that all our eggs are not in one planetary basket. It is a truly bold and ambitious vision, a vision that is undoubtedly worthy of our greatest efforts and our most dedicated resources. It is a future we can choose to build. So we look towards Mars, with eyes full of childlike wonder, with hearts full of pioneering ambition. It truly is humanity's next giant leap, a courageous leap into the vast unknown, a significant leap towards a greater, richer understanding of the universe and our precious, evolving place within it. The journey to Mars is more than a physical voyage. It is a journey of the human spirit itself, a journey that continues to define who we are and what we can aspire to become.